Hi guys, I wanted to introduce you or kind of show you guys this new reel I found. It's RYOBI RANMI. This blue reel is a conventional. It's selling it for a jigging reel. So, and it's a pretty light reel comparable to the Daiwa and Banix I have. I'll show you in a minute what they are. But yeah, the color was very attractive. I mean, I'm all about functionality, but I think now, like especially in Asia, their reels are just like anything else, right? It has to be somewhat of characteristic, fashionable, like stuff like that. Something that's little extraordinary. So that's what I like. I like to collect reels just like anybody would collect shoes, right? Some people would um, think that, hey, shoes are for wearing, but it's for fashion or anything. Let me get back to what I think about this. Again, I mean, I'm a novice, hobbyist fisherman, so I don't have the expertise. If you're looking for expertise, or if you're an advanced fisherman who understands or owns a tackle shop or works for these companies or understand their engineering, feel free to leave a comment. I think I kind of want this video and the comment section to be a discussion for people to learn, a video where I could learn from other people. So just looking at this, my insights or my perspective comparing to Daiwa, it's very well built and it has the same functionality as Daiwa, identical, almost like they took it and used that same engineering to make this. So that could be it, right? It's not clunky at all. It's very smooth. The star drag clicker and everything, the reel, it's smooth. The bearing, it's well built. It's overall wise a bearing, as well as they even went out of their way to put a little hologram that even Daiwa or Shimano wouldn't put, just to show that it's a real deal, right? So functionality, I mean, 16 kilogram of drag power, so this is good enough to catch yellowtail or smaller version of tuna. So it's a powerful reel, and that is a lock, line lock. So if your hook gets stuck on the bottom, you lock that in and to break the line. But that's what it is. The little difference I could show you right here is the lever right there. It engages and it automatically when you use your reel to reel it up. Daiwa doesn't have that. I'll show you in a bit, just because I didn't know this. Someone told me on a previous video, one of the subscriber commented that that's because for people that wants to cast their lure using this reel, you don't want it auto engage because that could snap your line if it auto engage when you're casting it out. So